good leader will say, get it done. If it's not being done right, we'll do it again. We'll keep doing it until we get it right. This guy, on the other hand, Wheeler, decides to pass the buck, saying, President Trump, it's because of you. He does this laundry list. Rather than, lamenting the fact that in his city, a young man was gunned down in the streets. I mean, the corpse is not even cold yet. They don't even got him in the morgue yet, and he's already busting the chops of President Trump, rather than taking responsibility. Now, Biden did the same thing. He came out, spoke in Pennsylvania. He didn't go to Kenosha, but the president's going to go to Kenosha. But apparently he avoids it, goes to Pennsylvania, passes the buck to the president and says, and his constituents were saying, when are you going to acknowledge the violence? What violence? They've been saying since Memorial Day that there's no violence in Portland. Kenosha happens, immediately they notice it, and you get people like Don Lemon on CNN, and you get people like Chris Cuomo saying, hey, Joe Biden, when are you going to do this? When are you going to talk about this? Finally, he talks about it today. And he does everything by the numbers, from naming George Floyd, to Breonna Taylor, to talking about all this. What he says, though, is really weird. He says something that says, well, do you feel safe in Trump's America? What he should have asked is, whether or not Oregonians or those in Kenosha feel safe in a progressive-led city and state. See, Biden defended himself from growing charges that he's soft on left-wing looting, rioting, and arson. But he turned it around and said, white supremacists are really and he's not acknowledging that there are various factions fighting this war in America. And if the leaders of the various states are unwilling to govern any of their areas, President Trump has no choice but to take military action or bring about a full-on police state against the apparent insurrection. No one is for a police state, but you got to understand this. This is not Trump's America. I call it triad America because we have the Machiavellians, the psychopaths, and the narcissists running the show. And the demonstrations are out of control, chaos is out of control. No one knows the histories of why we're in this position we're in right now. And the media has failed to inform the people that we're seeing this outside attempt by radicals with deep pockets to undermine and rip apart the fabric of our constitutional republic. This is the civil unrest. It's a civil war, and it's growing, and we have the power to stop it, but the lack of leadership and accountability is what's going to push us over the edge. We need to hear the truth. I'm going to give you some truth. I'm going to have some people come on and talk about this. Well, we were going to have a lot of people come on and talk about this. We'll tell you about that coming up. 877-733-1011. That's 877-733-1011. I'm Craig Lewis. You're listening to Ground Zero, and we'll be back. Radio 920 and 1047 FM. You wash your hands and brush your teeth every day. But what are you doing to keep your nose clean? After all, it's the body's air filter and the first line of defense against allergens that can make you miserable and germs that can make you sick, sometimes very sick. There's an all-natural way to clean your nose called nasal irrigation, and it's been around for hundreds of years. I'm Martin Hope, and I invented Navage to make nasal irrigation easy and convenient. Navage flushes out allergens, mucus, and dangerous germs. It uses powered suction to relieve congestion without drugs. Navage is easy to use, it's not expensive, and it comes with this personal promise. Try Navage. If it doesn't help you breathe better, sleep deeper, snore less, and feel healthier, just return it for a full, no questions asked refund. Over 1 million sold. Online at Navage.com or at Walgreens, CVS, Rite Aid, Bed Bath & colors, red, orange, blue, green. Well, this never ends. At Liberty Mutual Insurance, you're able to customize, so you're only paying for what you need, and in turn, saving money without all those extra buttons fogging up your junk drawer. This message is brought to you by Liberty Mutual Insurance. Visit libertymutual.com to learn more.
Liberty Mutual Insurance Company customizes your home insurance, so you only pay for what you need.
Marvelous, because I, in this vehicle, have been on a quest for the...
Just the mindset wasn't there, and